Over the next decade, your work life could change dramatically. Millions of jobs may disappear, but at the same time, entirely new opportunities will arise. Which jobs are safe, which are at risk, and what can you do to prepare? Let's explore this using real economic insights. Economists talk about technological unemployment, which is when machines replace human labor. This has happened before. Think of the Industrial Revolution, but AI accelerates the process. Jobs that involve routine and repetitive tasks are most at risk. Examples include data entry and database maintenance, call center agents handling standard questions, office assistants and administrative staff, basic production and warehouse jobs. Research shows that up to 92 million jobs could be displaced by AI by 2030, mainly in sectors with high routine intensity. At the same time, around 170 million new jobs are expected to emerge, resulting in a net increase of roughly 78 million jobs globally. This is linked to the task-based model of employment, which says that it's not entire occupations that vanish, but specific tasks within them. But there's good news. Roles that require strategic thinking, creativity, human judgment, or emotional intelligence are more resilient. In economic terms, these are non-routine cognitive tasks, work that is hard to automate. Examples include innovation managers, guiding projects and generating new ideas, product designers and UX specialists, creating user-centered solutions, data scientists and AI project managers, interpreting data and implementing AI solutions, healthcare and education professionals, whose work requires empathy, ethical judgment, and interpersonal skills. In these roles, AI acts as a complementary tool, boosting productivity rather than replacing workers. Economists call this the augmentation effect, where technology enhances human work instead of substituting it. The skill-biased technological change theory shows that technology increases demand for higher-level skills while routine tasks are declining. But this doesn't mean you automatically need a university degree to stay relevant. What matters is which skills you develop, like problem-solving, creativity, adaptability, and social skills, because these are hard for AI to replace. By 2030, up to 39% of current skills could become obsolete, so the focus should be on learning the right skills, not just earning a degree. To stay competitive, you should focus on skills that AI cannot easily replicate. For example, data analysis and statistics, interpreting complex data, creativity, generating new ideas and innovative solutions, critical thinking and problem solving, making sense of ambiguous situations, social and interpersonal skills, empathy, collaboration, negotiation. In short, lifelong learning is your job security. The sooner you start acquiring these high-demand skills, the better prepared you will be for the future labor market. AI isn't only a threat, it's also an opportunity. By automating repetitive, predictable tasks, it frees humans to focus on higher-value work. Economists describe this as the capital labor complementarity effect. AI complements human labor rather than replacing it. This creates exciting possibilities, higher productivity and efficiency, accomplishing more in less time, more room for innovation, tackling complex problems and developing creative solutions, new career paths, emerging fields and roles that didn't exist before. Those who understand, design, and manage AI systems will be in a strong position in tomorrow's economy. AI changes the nature of work. It doesn't just eliminate jobs. The future belongs to those who think strategically, work creatively, and commit to lifelong learning. If you found this video interesting, check out the channel for more exciting videos about economic topics and stay updated. Next, Econary. Think wisely, evolve quickly, understand profoundly.